Did you? Oh shit, my recording stopped it too. Hold on, let me get it back going. Let me make sure it gets my mic. Okay, well, we missed the first couple of kills, but whatever. Okay. Show me that belly. Yeah, tricording, he might be good to start off with well, I don't know. Sometimes I think that the best way to learn something is to start off with it in the hardest possible way. Yeah. Well, that's why I think it's really smart that they put you are behind me. Oh no. Yeah. Like you're gonna have nightmares because of your stupid charging sound. I got stuck on that ledge. Shit, wall. It's hard to hit. Yeah, and it's really compact. Yeah. See, it sounded like you were like behind me on the left there. Weird. I don't know. Does the crusher work? How many shots did we say it takes with the crusher? It was it was more than I thought. Was it 5? I'm gonna switch. See what you mean about the lag. Yeah, he is, huh? And it fills the hall. Right. Oh, really? Oh, I'm out of mouse pad. Whoa, that was a random shot you did there. Yeah, you got, what, 3 times on that one? Whoa, 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 whoa. What am I firing there? That was just letting me get out. But that's weird. On my screen, it didn't look like anything was there. And then all of a sudden, when I died, there was an explosion right where I was. Oh, I thought I evaded that. Well, I forgot that it bounces 3 times. I don't like that it only takes 2 shots. Yeah, this level's really good for you, huh? Because there's no... Yeah, I'm 100%, oh, 90%, I don't know. I'm so frustrated because I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like, those are hitting me, but they're not hitting me. Does that make any sense? Like, they're not hitting me on my screen, but I'm taking damage. The vault is rounded on you can go up and down through the hallways. Yeah, well, right. And I don't understand how that's so... God, you're just so fucking accurate right now. Yeah, it's like tied to your range. I wonder if I should be doing this. Stuck. I'm stuck. Yeah, I keep getting stuck on everything. Wow, just imaginary death. Whoa, you just popped up there. You know, here's the thing. If I'm to take away your strategy, like your key, like victory methodology, I have to do something I don't like. Oh shit, stuck in the wall. Oh, I was above it, but I just didn't get quite high enough. See, this is not fun, right? Really? Oh shit, I'm stuck on the wall. For the long game. Yeah, he's a runner. Ah, shit. Oh, that didn't even hit me. That lag is unusually weird for me right now. Yeah, it's not. It's seeming like way worse than it was in the past. Like that, I was under your ship. It's impossible for you to hit me. Oh, you just did a weird zip across the map. I don't know what it was. And nothing's spawning. Now you do. Actually, I should have. This would have been a perfect level for the flat gun. I'm trying to spin around the thing, but it's not happening for me. Hey, let me out. Whoa. Yeah, that didn't even hit me. Like the replay is going to be like, it seems unusually worse. That's what I was saying. Yeah, I will. I'm really having a hard time just hitting you. Bad news. Yay! Yeah. You're like, I'm cool. No, I'm not. Stuck on the wall. So, is the explosion 3 seconds? Do you know? Do you know I was up top? But there's a pathway there. Oh yeah, here. That reminds